House W is a quiet reimagination of urban living in Taiwan. An inward-oriented retreat sculpted within a compact townhouse. Behind a mesh screen, light, air, and green quietly flourish across 3 floors, resilient to its dense surroundings yet alive with openness. Each level is strategically set back to create semi-outdoor balconies, buffering the interior from street noise and neighboring proximity. Expanded metal mesh, semi-transparent, mediates privacy while admitting light and rain. Partial ceiling removals link the 3 balcony zones vertically via a central atrium. Daylight filters down glass atrium panels and perforated steel stairs, illuminating spaces and improving ventilation. By setting floor plates back, the design increases setbacks from neighboring structures, from 40 centimeters to 90 centimeters, enhancing openness. Each floor behaves as an open, multifunctional space with built-in cabinetry at perimeter walls. Limited width, 3.7 meters, is optimized by wall-integrated storage and flexible furnishings. The second-floor balcony becomes an extension of a children's corner with plantings, while the third-floor retreat and master suite enjoy green views. Large windows at the front and rear combine with the atrium to flood the house with daylight. The mesh facade and open balconies ensure cross-ventilation and thermal comfort. Transparent glass partitions in bathrooms and loft-like voids allow natural light to penetrate deep into the plan. The palette is composed of light-reflecting materials: white wood floors, cement finish walls, stainless steel elements, glass, and expanded mesh. These reflect daylight and foster continuity between old and new structure. Structural beams and columns are deliberately left exposed, honoring the building's character and renovation history. The decor is minimalistic and functional. All cabinetry hugs the walls, leaving central spaces uncluttered. The minimalist furnishings and neutral palette emphasize spatial openness and material contrasts. Vegetation is woven into each balcony level. Small trees and plants soften the mesh facade, introduce greenery indoors, and create a vertical garden threaded through the atrium void. House W stands as a study in resilience and light, transforming compact urban constraints into serene vertical living. Here, mesh and atrium admit nature's rhythms, while architecture becomes both shield and vessel for quiet discovery.